Morning. What's good, everybody? Got a package today. Hope all is well. Hope everybody's doing good. Let me set this up real quick. Yeah, I ain't in the cast no more. Y'all see the scars. You know, shit fat. But we're gonna be doing an unboxing today. Can you know what it is? Can you guess? Do you know? Do you have the slightest clue? This is from a company out in Arizona called AUS Injection. Let's see, where can I put this shit? First off, let me move this harness first. Let me set the camera up for y'all. Hold on. All right. Here, some peel. I appreciate you guys. So these are going to be my injectors I'm going to be using. For those who haven't known, I am going on boost. I was going to go supercharged, but kind of changed my mind at the last minute. These are 1400 cc injectors. Now this company, they deal with stock, OEM, high performance, diesel. Now they have multiple options. You can get it with the pigtails, which are EV6, and you can like solder them into your existing harness or repin, deepin, however you want to do it. Comes with the flow chart, the ohms, all these numbers. I don't know what they mean, but your tuner will know, or whatever. I don't know. I just know they're 1400 high impedance. Now, each injector has been flow tested and all that stuff. You get the paperwork showing the offset value. Know that they are 100% in good flowing conditions. And the other option is you can get it with like a jumper, plug and play joint. So if you don't want to cut your harness, or if you don't want to like solder these on, you can plug right into your existing harness that already has the EV6 plug on them. They come with O-rings, top hats. Do not remove this. Give you guys a close-up. These are going to be going into my hybrid racing fuel rail. Let's see what else I need. That's great. So let's head over there. All right. So we got the hybrid racing rail, using some Downstar hardware, of course. Had to put the shirt on, you feel me? So let's rest this here. Got the first injector. Gonna put a little bit of lube, oil on the O-rings. It just makes life easier. Definitely don't want no leaks. Now, AUS also does injector cleaning services. You can ship them out your injectors. They'll clean them. They'll flow test them. Tell you if they're bad, and if they're good, it'll be even better after they get cleaned. So I'm gonna leave all their information down below in the description. Make sure you guys check them out. They offer, they offer a wide range. I think from $350 to 1600s, something like that. We'll get more into that in a second. Hold on. Now you want to tighten these down evenly, not too tight though. There we go. All right, injectors are installed on a hybrid rail with the Downstar hardware. Show you guys the website here. So like I said, they offer stock replacement ones and they offer high performance ones. So if you click on racing injectors, they have a wide variety by make: Acura, Audi, BMW, Chevy. So I have an Acura motor. I have the RSX 2005. I think they are the same. 4-cylinder. So they have 320, 380, 550, 6, thousands, 12, up to 1600s. So I think I have 14s. That is a damn good price for 1400cc injectors. These are E85 compatible, 93. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all the description down below. You guys make sure you check them out. All right, fams. So that wrap it up for today's video. My coupe is actually down south at my brother's shop, getting the bay repainted. Check out the Instagram for that section of it, because he ain't gonna send me no videos. He gonna post it on IG, so that's where you guys see it at. But the whole radiator support's off. The bracket for the motor side is getting welded on. I want to give a huge shout out, big shout out to Justin from AUS Injectors. Appreciate you guys for good looking out. Make sure you guys check them out. They have an IG too. I'll drop that in the description down below. Subscribe, like, and see you homies next time. You heard?